For returning students that were registered in fall of 2022, spring of 2023, or summer of 2023, we have already created an account for you on VAMP. Go down to New Account or Forgot Password. Click there, choose Sitka Cirque from this drop-down menu, enter your email address, and hit Submit. Go to your email account, find an email from VAMP for a Sitka Cirque password reset. It will contain a temporary password. With that temporary password, we can return to the main menu, go down to Got Your Temporary Password, click to change it, select Sitka Cirque, enter the email address, the temporary password you found in your email, and the new password you would like to create for your account. Once you've done that, you'll be able to return to the main login page. Enter your email address and password in order to log in. Once you've logged in, under My Info, click on My Dashboard. For individual adult students registering themselves, you can immediately click here under Basics to store your credit card info for monthly billing. Once you've done that, click on Fill Out Release Form to get to our registration packet. This includes our waiver form as well as some questions about future performances and other important things, so please be careful to fill it out and read it completely. Once you've completed that, you can return back to your user dashboard. For individual students, you are now ready to register for a session class by clicking under User menu, Register for Session Class. If you are registering a child or a second member of your family, you will need to go to your user profile. From your user profile, go down to Family. If your family has not been created, you will see an option for Start My Family. Potential family members sharing the same email address as your account will show up here. If you are sure that they are members of your family, you can go ahead and add them to your family by clicking Add, then click Create to save. If you are not seeing all the members of your family you are wanting to register for classes, click Add a Family Member. You can fill in their information and add them to your family. Once you're done, go up to the navigation bar at the top, return to the main menu, then we can click on our Family Dashboard. From the Family Dashboard, you will see the different members of your family. For any member of your family that is registering for classes, click on them, which will take you to your user dashboard for that individual. Here, you can store credit card for them. You will need to store credit card information for each family member registering for classes. Then you will click and fill out the release form for that student. Repeat this process for each member of the family that is going to be registering for classes. Store their credit card information, fill out their release form. Once you've completed that for each member of the family, you can now register for session classes. For both individuals and families, double check that the correct name has been selected from the drop-down menu above. Check that you are registering for the correct semester of classes. Then from this drop-down menu, you will see the options for all of our fall and spring classes. You can filter through these classes for adult, teen, or youth classes, as well as by level. Let's say you're a level 4, type in 4, and you will see all of the level 4 options. Select your class. Add to selections. If you are taking more than one class per week, add your additional classes. Once you have added all of your classes, click Register. For families, you will then need to return to the main menu, to your family dashboard, click on the next member of the family you would like to register for classes. Make sure you have filled out your release form and stored credit card information for each member participating in classes. Then click Register for Session Classes. Double check that you have selected the correct person to now be adding classes for, the correct semester, and then repeat the process of selecting your classes before registering.